Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Bowen. I'm an epidemiologist from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. I'm here to talk a little bit about the joint response to the monkeypox epidemic that's currently happening in Madagascar. Monkeypox was introduced here in late December. It was a new disease, and the Government of Madagascar quickly set up a committee and a team to help manage the response to the outbreak. Cases continued to increase, so they invited additional help from other organizations in other countries. Through the U.S. Embassy in Madagascar, the U.S. government has been providing support to activities that contribute to the detection, prevention, and control of monkeypox in Madagascar. And in addition to that support that is already in place, various members of US CDC have come to assist the response. Currently, I've been working on assisting the commissions to increase the amount of data coming through and harmonize the data so that we can look at it carefully and make the best decisions possible to help protect the most people in Madagascar that we can. We've also been working on rolling out the vaccine, which was donated by the manufacturer. There are approximately 150,000 doses available to help protect the people here, including healthcare workers and contacts of people who are sick with monkeypox and other vulnerable populations. The Government of Madagascar is in the process of evaluating the first 3 months of the response, and they've invited input from other members of the Emergency Operations Center. We've just provided our assessment of the strong points, of the things that could have gone a bit better, and recommendations for the future. So this is a really exciting activity and a time to be involved because it will inform the future steps and hopefully lead to even greater impact and protection for the people here.